Hey Dream Seekers! Today I'm going to show you how to create a player account in Dreamscape. The first step is to go to squigglepark.com/Dreamscape and then click on the Student Play button right here. Then make sure to get out your class code that you should have received from your teacher and click on New Account. Type in the class code. You can't copy and paste. And then click on the arrow. Here, put in your first name, the initial of your last name, put in your password. Remember, this is a password you have to remember. And then click on your grade level. Then, go and log in using your username and password, and click Sign In. That's all you need to do to get started, so hope you have fun playing Dreamscape, and if you have any questions, please ask your teacher. Have a great day.